Today we will complete the tools menu. As we have already completed spelling and track changes protection options in MS Word, we will now see which is different in MS Excel. The first option we will see here, that is goal seek. Goal seek is generally used to find the previous cell value. For example, rate, quantity and amount. If you enter the rate and quantity, if we write the formula in amount cell, we will get amount value equals to G4 into H4. Enter. See here, we have get the amount value by writing a formula. Now suppose if anyone gives you 1000 amount, so how much quantity will you issue to that person? To find the quantity, we can use just the goal seek facility. Just click on amount, move to tools, press goal seek, enter the value, that is 1000, and by changing cell, in which column you want to change it, that is H4. Press OK. See here, quantity automatically displayed just because of goal seek status. To find the previous value, we have to use the goal seek option. Next is scenarios. To hold the multiple values into a single cell, we can use this facility. Suppose we supply the materials to different companies in different rates. To keep the rate list, you can just use the scenarios facility. Press add, scenario name, suppose Bajaj company. OK. Enter the rate for this company, that is 12 rupees. OK. Once again press add. Next is Videocon. OK. Enter the rate. Fine. Add. OK. Suppose 15. Press OK. So from next time onwards, if you require the rate of Videocon company, just move to tools, press scenarios, select the company and press on show. See, the rate was 13 rupees. If you press on Bajaj company and click on show, 12, HIIT 15. In this way, if to maintain a list of values for a single cell, just use the scenarios option. Next is formula auditing. To make or check the formulas, we can just use a marking system for that value. Means 1500 is depends upon G4 and H4. To mark this, just move to date tools, use the formula auditing and click on trace precedents. For horizontal calculation, we have to use a trace precedent option. See here, a marking system has been applied to this value. Rate into quantity, you will get an amount. Next, suppose if you enter the salaries, and do the total using the auto sum. Now at the last you have to point a arrow mark, means 22,000 is depend upon the above values. For this purpose, move to tools, formula auditing, click on trace dependents. See, A arrow mark has been applied to this column. To remove all the arrows, move to formula auditing once again and click on remove all arrows. Next we will see about the macros. Macros is used to create our own shortcut, means to record the values while we are typing. If any of the text or values required again and again, instead of making a copy paste duplicate of that text, just create your own macro, means to create our own shortcut. Same way like this Ctrl X, Ctrl C or Ctrl V, we can create our own shortcut. We will just move to sheet 2. Before typing, first we have to click on macro, click on record new macro, enter the shortcut. Just we will keep the shortcut, suppose T. If we press a Ctrl T, then the value should be displayed. Now we have to type the text. Suppose in school we have to create the mark sheet for each and every unit test. So just marks are changing, the formulas and rest of the details are the same. For this purpose we can create a macro. See here, we have just written a formula for total. Drag it. Next, average equals to F5 divided by 3. Drag it once again. We will just make the headings bold. Center. Apply the borders. Suppose back color and fore color. We have just created a simple sheet which is required again and again. We have recorded all these things. Now to stop this recording, just click on stop recording button, or once again you can move to tools, macro and press stop recording. Next time onwards, if you move to another sheet and press the Ctrl key and press the T key, you will get all the information. As we have created our own shortcut Ctrl T. This was the use of macros, means you can keep your text in a particular shortcut and use it again and again as per the requirement. In next video we will cover the format menu.